How to listen to a website article in Speechify. If you keep saving long reads you never get around to, this is the fastest fix. Paste the link, and Speechify pulls the article in and reads it to you. Here is the whole thing in about 2 minutes. Start on the home screen on the Listen to Text tab. Among the ways to bring in content, the one you want for a web page is Paste Link, so click that. The dialog is as simple as it looks. One field for the address. I will paste in the article I want read. Notice the offer underneath for the browser extension, which adds a listen button directly on the pages you visit. That is worth having, but you do not need it for this. Everything here works from the web app. With the link in, click Submit Link. And Speechify fetches the page and opens it in the reader. Look at what came through. The article title, the body text properly formatted, the images in place, and the links preserved. It stripped the navigation, ads and clutter, and kept the part you actually wanted to read. Now press Listen, and it reads the article aloud, highlighting each sentence and word as it goes. The player bar gives you pause, 10-second skips, the voice picker, and the speed control, so you can push through a long piece at whatever pace suits you. 2 things worth knowing. The article is now saved in your library like any other document, with your listening progress remembered, so you can start it on your laptop and finish it later. And the AI actions apply to web pages too. Chat with the article, or generate a summary, a podcast or a quiz from it, which is handy on a very long read. When you are done, close the document and you are back in your library. That is all it takes. Paste link, submit, listen. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.